Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to share full form of computer abbreviations. It's very important for all competitive exams and let's get started into video. A to D, analog to digital. AI, artificial intelligence. ALGOL, algorithmic language. ALU, arithmetic logic unit. ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. BCD, Binary Code Decimal. BIOS, Basic Input Output System. BPS, Bytes per Inch. CAD, Computer Aided Design. CD, Compact Disc. CD-ROM, Compact Disc Read Only Memory. CDRW, Compact Disc Read or Write. CL, Command Language. CLI, Command Line Interface. COBOL, Common Business Oriented Language. CPU, Central Processing Unit. D2A, Digital to Analog. DDL, Data Definition Language. DMA, Direct Memory Access. DRAM, Dynamic Read Only Memory. DVD, Digital Video Versatile Disk. DBMS, Database Management System. DDS, Digital Data Storage. DMA, Direct Memory Access. DTS, Digital Theater System. ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. EPG, Electronic Programming Guide. EPROM, Erasable Programmable Read Only Memory. FDM, Frequency Division Multiplexing. FEP, Front End Processor. FLOPS, Floating Point Operation per Second. FM, Frequency Modulation. FMS, File Management System. Fortran, Formula Translation. FSK, Frequency Shift Keying. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. GB, Gigabyte. GHz, Gigahertz. GSM, Global System for Mobile Communication. GUI, Graphical User Interface. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. HTTP, Hypertext Transport Protocol. IBM, International Business Machine. IC, Integrated Circuit. IDN, Integrated Digital Network. IP, Internet Protocol. ISDN, Integrated Service Digital Network. ISP, Internet Service Provider. JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group. JRE, Java Runtime Engine. JSP, Java Server Pages. Kilobyte, KB. KHZ, Kilohertz. LAN, Local Area Network. LCD, Liquid Crystal Display. LED, Light Emitting Diode. LPM, Line per Minute. LSI, Large Scale Integration. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. MAR, Memory Address Register. MB, Megabytes. MBR, Memory Buffer Register. MHZ, megahertz. MIPS, millions of instructions per second. MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System. NIC, Network Interface Card. NOS, Network Operating System. OMR, Optical Mark Reader. OS, Operating System. OSI, Open System Interconnection. OSS, Open Source Software. PAN, Personal Area Network. PDF, Portable Document Format. PDL, Program Design Language. PDP, Program Data Processor. PIP, Peripheral Interchange Processor. PROM, Programmable Read-Only Memory. QoS, Quality of Service. RAM, Random Access Memory. ROM, Read-Only Memory. SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle. SEQEL, Structured English Query Language. SNA, System Network Architecture. SQL, Structured Query Language. SRAM, Static Random Access Memory. SSI, Small Scale Integration. TB, Terabytes. TCP, Transport Control Protocol. TDP, Time Division Multiplexing. UDP, User Datagram Protocol. UPC, Universal Product Code. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. USB, Universal Serial Bus. UTF, Unicode Transformation Format. WAN, Value Added Network. VCR, Video Cassette Recorder. VDT, Video Display Terminal. VGA, Video Graphics Array. VSAT, Very Small Aperture Terminal. WAN, Wireless Area Network. WLAN, Wireless Local Area Network. WAP, Wireless Application Protocol. WLL, Wireless Local Loop. WWW, World Wide Web. XHTML, Extensible Hypertext Markup Language. XML, Extensible Markup Language. X.400, Electronic Mail Protocol. X.500, Directory Server Protocol. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. Thank you.